Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, today we'll be starting exercise 10.3, and I hope that you have revised the concepts related to the perimeter of standard and non standard shapes, along with perimeter of some regular shapes like hexagon, pentagon, and square, and equilateral triangle. Then we came to the topic of area of standard and non-standard shapes, and we discussed certain formulas regarding some standard shapes and regular shapes. Apart from that, we have also done exercises and various examples and solved and unsolved examples regarding perimeter and area. So without any further delay, let's start today's topic, that is exercise 10.3. So exercise 10.3 question number 1 says find the area of rectangles whose sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now make sure to do not have any confusion between length and breadth or width, because L1 into L2 can be written as L2 into L1. It does not matter. Anyone can be chosen as a length or a breadth, but the standard procedure is to choose the one with the longer side as the length. But if the dimensions are written as 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter, then this 3 centimeter is the length and this is the breadth. This is the standard procedure. So you can either take length as the one which is mentioned first, or you can take the length one which is mentioned in, which is greater in magnitude. But I will be following the first come first serve basis. So L1 and L2. So L1 into L2 will give 3 into 4, which will give 12 centimeter square. Make sure that the units of both of them are same. Coming to part B, so 12 into 21 meter square will give us the answer. So 21 into 10 will be 210, and 21 into 2 will be 42. So adding them up, we will get the answer of 21 into 12, that is 2, 4 plus 1, 5, and 2, 52. So the answer will be 252 meter square, L1 into L2. Part C, that is 2 kilometer into 3 kilometer. Units are same. So 2 into 3 kilometer square will give us 6 kilometer square, or you can write square kilometer. Coming to part D, so that is 2 meter and centimeter. So we will convert either one into the either unit. So I will prefer converting meter into centimeter, but that will increase zeros and increase the value of the calculation. So what we'll do, we'll just convert centimeter into meter. You can do whatever way you like. For example, if you are good at calculating 2122 into 75, then it is your choice. But if you are more comfortable in calculating 2.122 into 0.075, that is also your choice. So 2 into, it will be 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 0.7 meters square, that will be 7 into 2 14, that will be 1.4 meter square. Coming to the next question, find the areas of squares whose sides are. So as you know that in square, L1, L2, L3, L3, L4 is equal to L. That is, all the adjacent sides of the square are equal to each other. That is why square is called the special case of rectangle, in which not only the opposite sides are equal, but the adjacent sides are also equal. Therefore, L is given, so L into L is the area of a square. So we can write L square, that is 10 ka square. That will give us 100 centimeter square as the answer for A. For B, we can write 14 ka square centimeter square, and that will be 14 squares are 4 4 the 16, 1 4 1 the 4, 2 the 8, so that is 196. So that is the answer for 14 square of Part B. So you can do the calculation manually. I'm just doing like this so that you can save time and I can use that time in order to make you understand the concept or reason behind this calculation. Part C is 5 meters, so that will be 5 square meter square and that will be 25 meter square. L square is the answer for area of a square. Coming to part 3. The length and breadth of three rectangles are given below: 9 and 6, 17 and 3, 4 and 14. The next is which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest. So okay, we will be writing A is equal to 9 is equal to 9 into 6 meter square, that is 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54 meter square. Area of part B will be written as 17 into 3 meter square, that is 17 into 3 is 30 and 7 3s are 21, so 51 meter square. And area of part C is equal to 4 into 14 meter square, that is 4 into 10 is equal to 40, 4 4s are 16, so 56 meter square. So largest and smallest can be written in the form of decreasing order. AC is greater than AA is greater than AB. This is the smallest and this is the having largest area. Coming to the next question. Area of rectangular garden 50-meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. So what do you have to do over here? You have the area, you have the length, so you just have to find the other side, that is L2. So area is equal to L1 into L2. So 300 can be written as equal to 50 into L2. Make sure that both the units are same. If it is meter, this is meter square, only then you will start this formula. Otherwise, you will have to convert this meter into the respective same unit. So 300 will be divided by 50 and 0 will cancel out 0. 5 will be dividing 30 by 6 times. Therefore, L2 will be equal to 6 meter and that is the answer. Question number 5. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and wide? So L1 and L2 have been given and the rate of tiling has been given, rupees 8 per 100 square centimeter. Okay, okay, per 100 square meter. Okay, so we will solve this by first calculating the area of plot, and area of plot will be equal to 500 into 200 meter square. That can be written as 5 into 2 is equal to 10, and there are 4 zeros, so 4 zeros will be mentioned, respective commas will be mentioned, and it will be written like this. So 1 lakh meter square is the total area. So cost is written as rupees 8 per 100 square meter. So what you will do, you will just write 100 square meter, or you can write it like this, meter square into the total area, that is 1 lakh meter square. So meter square will cancel out meter square and two zeros will cancel out two zeros. After that 8 will be multiplied by 1000 and the answer will be rupees 8 three zeros, and that is the answer, rupees 8,000. You understand that, per 100 square meter. So before that also I told you that whenever you have to write the cost, you write rupees above and meter below, which will cancel out the meter with the other numerator. So here it is per 100 square meter, so we just have to write 100 meter square, and there meter square cancelled out, 100 will divide the numerator and the answer will be obtained by multiplying the two remaining numerators. Question number C. A tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is its area in square meters? We have to find out the area in square meters. So what we'll do area is equal to 2.00 into 1.50. So how will that be? 2 into 1.5 is 3. Therefore, the answer will be 3.00 meter square, or you can write 3 meter square. that is also acceptable. Coming to question number 7. A room is 4 meter long and 3 itna wide. How many? Okay, so we just have to find the area and that will be the answer for the square meters of carpet needed to cover the floor of the room. So A is equal to L1 L2, that is 4 into 3.5. 0 is equal to 4 into 3.5. So 3.5 will be multiplied by 4, 4, 5, 4s are 20, 2 here, 4 3s are 12, plus 2, 14. 0 point will be added over here because the answer will have the number of will have the decimal point after how many decimals. That will depend upon the decimal point that is totally in both of them. I will give you an example that will be much better. So first I'll write the answer 14 meter square. For example, I have to multiply 2.75 into 1.2. Okay, so what will be the answer and how will the decimal be placed? And that will be done by 2.75 and 1.2 will be written like a general integer. We will disregard the decimal for now. We will make sure that it is not visible to us. So 5 twos are 10, 1, 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. 0 will be added and then 1 5 is a 5, 7 and 2. The answer will be calculated 0, 0, 1, 7 plus 1 8 plus 5 13, 1 and this is 3. Number of decimals in total, we will have to count that excluding the zeros. That is, if 4 zeros are there, it does not matter. So these zeros will not be counted. Only the non-zero decimal digits will be counted. 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be after 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 3.3. You can input the same value 2.75 and 1.2 in your mobile calculator and you can find out that the answer is 3.3. Coming to the next question. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Okay, a square carpet of 3 meter is laid. Okay, so we have a rectangle that is present over here with the length of 5 meter and the width of 4 meter. And a carpet is there total which has the length of 3 meter each. Okay, the area of floor that is not carpeted. So what we'll do, we'll subtract area of square from the area of rectangle. So AR minus AS will be done. So what is that? So L1 into L2, so 5 into 4 will be, and then minus will be 3 into 3. After that 5 fours are 20, minus 3 threes are 9 and that is 11 meters square is the area that has not been carpeted. So I hope you understand. You just have to subtract the two areas after calculating. Question number 9. 5 square flower beds each of sides 1 meter are dug. Okay, so there is a square, so we will write area of square flower bed is equal to 1 into 1 and that is meter square is equal to 1 meter square on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide on a piece of land. So a land is equal to 5 into 4, both are meter square, meter, so meter square, so 20 meter square. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So area remaining is equal to area of land minus area of square flower bed, that is 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 meter square. This is also the same question. The only thing is that the object has changed. Before it was a carpet, now it is a square flower bed. Coming to the next question, by splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. Okay, so what we'll do first, we will uh, Mm, okay, so we will split them as rectangles. So first rectangle will be this one, other rectangle will be this one, and the other rectangle will be this one. Okay, so here this length, this width is over here 1, but what about its length? That can also be found out. 3 plus 4 is the total length of the figure. Okay, and from that we have to subtract 3 and 2. So 7 minus 5 will give us the answer, that is 2. Okay, similarly for the other rectangle, that is this one, the total length will be 3 plus 2, that is 5, and this width will be 2, that is already mentioned. Coming to the next rectangle, that will be 2, and this part is not available. So what we'll do, we'll just take this part and plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4. So again 3 plus 4 and 2 plus unknown is are both equal to each other. So 7 minus 2 will give us the answer, that is 5. So this will become 5, and this distance is uh, okay, we'll let it be x. This is 2, this is 1, and this is 3, and over here it is 4, 2 and 1. 4, 2 and 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus x. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7, and this is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 is 6 plus x. Therefore x is equal to 1. So this will be 1. Coming to another one, what is the width over here? Width is 3 and the length is 4. So we have all the variables we require, and we will directly find the answer. Okay, so area of the first one will be 1 into 2. Area of the second one will be 5 into 2. Area of the third one will be 1 into 5 plus 2 7. Area of another one will be 3 into 3 into 3, because 3 is the width and 3 is the length. Now multiplying and adding, we will get 3 plus, sorry, 3 nahi, we will get 2 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 7 plus 3 3s are 9, adding them up, so 10 plus 2 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 9 is 28. So we will get 28. No units are there. Okay, centimeter is there, that will be 28 centimeter square. Coming to the next question. Again, we will have to divide them into separate rectangles. So what we'll do, we will make a line here and we will make a line over here. After that, we have this particular 2 and we require this one also. That is also what we have. After that, we have 3 and the total length is 5. So ये भी हमारे पास है. This one is required, x is required. So what we'll do, we will minus 3. So this is x and this is 2. So 3 is equal to x plus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. That is it. It will be 1. Now coming to the area part. So 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 3. Sorry. This is 2. So this will also be 2. So 2 into 1 first area. After that 5 into 1 second area. After that it will be 2 into 1. Multiplying them, 2 plus 5 plus 2, adding them, 9 centimeter square. This is the area of part B. Coming to the next question. Split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just divide it over here, and for that we have 2, the width is there, length is there. Here the width is there, the Length is not there. So this is 8 and this is, oh, length is also there, no problem. Therefore, area of A, part A will be 12 into 2 plus 8 into 2, and that will give 12 into 2 24 plus 8 into 2 16, and the answer will be 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 centimeter square. Part B. So how will this be done? Just take this rectangle in total and two squares. Okay, so the area of part B will be first square, second square, and third rectangle. So first square is 7 into 7. Next part is 7 into 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 3 is 17. So no, not 17. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 7 is 21. So that will be 21 into 7, because the middle part is also 7, which is mentioned over here. And the next again will be 7 into 7. So plus 7 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49, and 49 into 2 will be 89, 98, and 98 plus 21 into 7 will be 7, 7 twos are 14, and you will add them up and you will get the answer as 147 plus 98. So it is 247 and 245. It will be 245 centimeter square. Coming to the next question, part C. What will you do over here? You have the width, you have the length, no problem. Next part, over here you have the length, you have the width, no problem. Area of part C will be 1 into 4 plus 1 into 5. That is 1 into 4 is 4 and 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 plus 4 will give you 9 centimeter square. Coming to the next question. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter? So again, the best option, the best way to solve such question is that you make a rectangle, okay, and you will make over here 144 centimeter and over here 100 centimeter. The length is 12 centimeter, so you will write over here 12 centimeter, and the width is 5 centimeter, so you will write 5 centimeter, and you will divide 100 by 5 and you will get the answer as 20, and therefore the number of tiles in this direction will be 20, and for 144 direction it will be 144 divided by 12, that is 120, 132, 144, 12 times. So in this direction it will be 12. So just multiply 20 into 12 and you will get the answer. So 12 into 2 is 24, and that will be 240 tiles will be required. Coming to the next question. So without even solving the area of the rectangle, you will be able to solve the answer. Next method, another method is that you will multiply 144 into 100, you will get one area. After that, you will multiply 12 into 5, you will get another area. You will divide both the areas and then you will get the answer. Okay, either of the way you choose. Part B, 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter, और originally क्या था 12 and 5. Okay, so 12 into 5 was the dimension of tiles. So 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. So here is the twist. If you will try to divide 70 with 12, you will get a fraction, and if you will try to divide 36 by 5 you will get a fraction. So what we'll do, we will write over here 36 centimeter and over here 70 centimeter, and over here we will write 5 centimeter and over here we will write 12 centimeter. So 36 divided by 12 will give you 3, So the total number of tiles in this direction will be 3, and 70 divided by 5 will give you the answer of 1, and 20 is equal to 4, so 14, and 14 number of tiles will be in this direction. So number of tiles will be 14 into 3, that is 4 3s are 12, 1 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 42 tiles will be required for this part B. Another way is that you will multiply 70 into 36 and divide by 12 into 5, and then you will get the answer. That is what we have done. We have divided 36 by 12 and 70 by 5, and the remaining, the answer which we got, the numerator which we got, or the quotient which we got, we multiplied it together. Coming to the next question. Okay, so with this we have completed the chapter of mensuration, that is region and boundary, or area and perimeter. In this we covered the standard and non-standard figures, how we have to calculate using a square which is given in the figure, or how do we have to calculate using the various formulas. We have covered some uh, additional figures such as a circle, such as various types of triangles, parallelogram, rhombus, etc. And we have also covered rectangle, square, and normal triangle, that is half base into height. So with this we conclude exercise 10.3, and in the next video we'll be dealing with we'll be revising the chapter and discussing the what have we discussed as per the NCERT, in order to understand or know if we have missed anything, and in case we have missed anything, we will upload a new video in which that particular topic will be discussed in detail. So till now we have not missed any topic in the previous chapters, so I hope that we will not miss in the future too. In case you like our videos, do hit the subscribe button and like our videos. In case you have any suggestions for us or feedbacks, or if you want to support us, you can comment in the comment section, or reach us out at any of our social media handles like LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. And we'll definitely get back to you. So keep revising, keep making notes, and keep practicing. Till the next time we meet, goodbye.